Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video and another episode of hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026 open collaboration. Jamie over at Poetspice had invited us to join with her to cut out paper dolls or colorize images or even Julie nutting dolls. And I wanted to share my collection of these knockoff gorgeous girls, knockoff paper dolls. I'll say it that way. It looks like the um, it looks like the gorgeous girls, but they're not. They're not from Sanrio. Um, I got them online from Ally, I believe. So this week I picked this doll. Oops, forgot a piece. This is her. This looks like a scarf, doesn't it? I don't, but it's actually her legs. And I'll show you in a minute, but I forgot that. But this is the set I'm working with this week. And since everybody's doing Christmas in July projects, I went ahead and I cut out some papers from my stash, some Christmas papers, and I just love how these dolls came out. Oh my gosh. They are simply adorable. Very easy to put together, although I don't know if these little bows are supposed to be in their hair, but I made it. I don't know if they're clips. I don't know. I just added it to her hair. And then this bow, I just added it to her dress. Yeah, isn't that sweet? Oh my gosh. It's adorable, and I just love it. So yeah, we're coming on every Saturday at 10 o'clock. If you want to join us, go ahead, use that hashtag, Paper Dolls for Poet 2026, and show what you're creating or what paper dolls that you have in your stash. So thanks everybody for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.